done got a whole bouncy house. A man done got a whole bouncy house. Get in here, bro.
It's about time. Guys, I've been telling Zach to get a Japanese truck. And here we are in a goddamn Tacoma. This is a man's truck right here, guys. Well, this is more like a juvenile's truck. My truck, I have a Tundra, guys. That's a man's truck.
This is a whole bunch of cap.
I'm just saying.
My man's capping. But we are headed to rip the dirt bike. I got it running, put a new carb on it, as you guys have saw, and I'm about to send it. It still has no brakes, so I might die, but full throttle.
He's gonna die.
Full throttle. So we're about to do a rundown on it. I did order the rear brake stuff. The front brake stuff, I'm not really sure what it needs, so I didn't do that, unfortunately, but we're about to send it, so yeah.
Talk to us, Zach.
All right.
Power that bitch on,
We're
bro.
about to send it. And she idles.
Dope. He's having way too much fun with this, guys. This thing actually rips, guys. He was right. Yo, what the hell, dude? There you go.
This thing rips, dude. Oh God, you're about to die.
Guys, this thing doesn't have brakes.